Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the month of December and how it will move in the next 2 weeks of December. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is trading at a level of $2.4230. Understand this is a weekly chart where you will understand clearly that how the price has moved monthly as well as a weekly. Okay, these are 2 weeks which I will showing you. See, if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, there is a doji candle forming for this particular week. Previously, if you look at from this, there are 5 weeks it is continuously moving down. Okay, and three things that you have to understand here is that dollar is continuously getting weak, as you can see looking at this particular chart. If you look at this particular trend of dollar index, we can see opposite U pattern is forming and chances can be high it can go further low if the price fall below this level. Okay, but if you look at a longer view, if you go and see for a higher view, you can see that if the price started sustaining above a level of 103.817 in the dollar index, we will see that the price of dollar can go further upside and the natural gas price can go further low. Okay, even if this dollar price moves further down, we can see the price of gold and silver and other commodities can increase. Okay, see, if you look at this particular trend, chances are very high we can see it will move further down if the price started falling below a level of around $2.2. Okay, and two things that I'm keep telling you and you have to understand looking at this particular chart, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern is being said that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a sharp rise is coming. Okay, and this rise is continuously moving upside. Whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a fall is coming, because see, that was the pandemic. People were thinking that whenever the market is hitting high, it can fall further low. So this is the period where it has profit booking has come. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 weeks of December 2023, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart, there is opposite U pattern is forming, and now this is a U pattern is forming. These two patterns are forming. This opposite U pattern is a big pattern, while this is an 8-month pattern, and chances are very high that if the price keep moving below a level of 2.2, a further fall, but if the price sustain above a level of 2.7, a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, because it has moved up, okay, so probability can be high that there is a higher chances it can go further upside. Let's see on a monthly chart where you will understand clearly how the price can go. See, a red candle is forming for this particular month and a previous month. So suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, because it has already made a low of around $2.210. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of around $2.5209. Okay, and if the price move above that particular zone, chances are very high it will cross that level, and yes, a probability of crossing a level of $2.7663 is there. 2.7663 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of around $3.2063. This is the level it will go. Okay, and if the price started going above this particular zone, chances are high it will cross a level of around $3.463. $3.463 is also being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $3.623. As soon as it started sustaining above $3.623, we can see it will move above a level of $4 and it will touch a level of 4.1, and this gap can be filled at a level of 4.35. This is the time where there is a higher probability this gap can be filled. So you have to understand, as soon as started above 3.6, chances of touching 3.9 will be there, and then from there this gap can be filled. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, and this is for not for beginners, these are for resistance and support, so those who are trading know how to use the resistance support well. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because if you look at this particular trend, opposite U pattern is forming and chances can be high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move further down towards this next support of $2.2794. This is a strong support, so a bounce back can come from this particular level, but chances are very high that it will move further if the price fall below this level. Because see, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will move upside, no, a price action you can say it will go high or low, but that is also being uncertainty. Okay, so always try to set your SL. If you are setting your SL, you are saving your capital. If you are trailing your SL, it will saving your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain a level of 2.2, which is a strong support, it will go again towards a level of $2.0934. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, chances are very high that it will move below a level of $2.094, and from there a probability of going towards 1.9225 is there. Okay, as soon as it started falling below this level, chances of touching a level of 1.623 will be there, and from there a level of 1.5. Chances will be very high that if the price started falling below 1.9, chance of touching 1.6 will be there, and 1.5 also. As soon as the price fall below a level of $2, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.